Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Nissan 370Z versus Toyota Supra. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with what makes each car unique. You'll learn about their performance capabilities, how they feel on the road, and what kind of driver each vehicle is designed for. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which sports car might be the better fit for your garage and driving style. When it comes to power, the Nissan 370Z boasts a naturally aspirated 3.7-liter V6 engine, delivering a classic sports car feel with its linear power delivery. In contrast, the Toyota Supra comes equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, providing a surge of torque and often quicker acceleration figures. Both offer exhilarating performance, but their approaches to achieving it are quite different, catering to varied preferences for engine characteristics. The driving experience is where these two truly diverge. The 370Z is known for its raw, mechanical feel, offering a direct connection to the road that enthusiasts often crave. Its design is aggressive and timeless. The Supra, on the other hand, provides a more modern and refined ride, blending comfort with sharp handling, thanks to its advanced chassis and suspension. Its styling is sleek and contemporary, reflecting its newer design. Considering value, the Nissan 370Z typically offers a more accessible entry point into the sports car segment, making it a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers. The Toyota Supra, while often commanding a higher price, usually includes more cutting-edge technology and a more luxurious interior. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw, analog driving or a modern, refined experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.